Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. So we had an issue the other day. The booster pump, it plain and simple, it shocked one of my guys. And you know, at the end of the day, we're working with electricity and a generator and wiring. It's not the booster's fault that the guy got shocked. It was actually, and should see the other video, but it comes down to the fact that there was a cut in the wire. This one's fine. We'll end up running it down through the bottom here, so hopefully that doesn't happen anymore. But the cord was messed up, the actual plug was messed up, so we replaced that out. Turned on, ran for about 10 seconds, and then stopped. You can see in here, and actually let me bring one of the flashlights right there. You can see right there in the middle, see the terminal coming straight down from the switch. That completely fried as well. So I've got this new one on here, just a simple toggle. 1 second, let's get that. So now it runs just fine there. We're gonna we've got some water in our tank, so we're gonna just make sure everything's good to go. See if we got water coming out, which you can't really see it there, but you can hear it. So I gotta mark that thing's no longer working right now. I'll probably end up buying just a whole new box right there for it. But in the meantime, we ended up using an air pump for that job. Just grabbed my my big air compressor from the garage, brought our little transfer air diaphragm pump, and sorry, I gotta check this one valve. So that'll get that, and we actually usually keep a little cap on here. But anyways, guys, it's a very quick and simple switch. Pun intended. To just literally get a new toggle switch and be able to just undo these. I did end up having to put in a new crimp and I don't know, it's fin and whatever that little thing he's called. Again, it wasn't an issue with the booster pump, it was an issue with how we treated the electrical cords. Had we treated the electrical cords properly, there wouldn't have been any issues. We will be grounding the booster, which that could also be my fault that I have it on this wooden block, but I wanted it that way so that if I need to, if I got to work on this thing, I can literally just lift it up, take it out, and I'm good to go. So this obviously is not ideal that I have exposed electrical components. We'll put some tape over those little spots, figure out a way to protect it in there, and like I said, we'll put a way so this, obviously we're not trying to mess around with it, although it literally doesn't do anything. It's cut there, nothing's plugged into it, so we can flip that switch all the time. Anyways, have a great night.